And in Holy Mother's life, we see her giving assurances, various type of doing. And once, I don't remember, Mahapurush Maharaji or somebody tells one sadhaka of the Mutt and Mission alone itself, Dhiren Maharaj. I don't know whether Brahmananji told or anybody. Dhiren Maharaj was the last sevak of Mahapurush Maharaj at the time of death. We met him. Then he was told, I was not knowing anything. He was asked to talk to us brahmacharis in the training center by Atmasthananji and went away. Then he talked something. Then we felt interested in him. So when we get an opportunity, we will go and talk to him. He will be absolutely unassuming. He understands, he doesn't know anything. Doesn't look like highly educated or Shastra Padai and all, but pure and innocent. That makes us love and depend on him. We can feel ourselves immediately close to him. So he said, I did not know what is sadhu life. I did not know what is brahmachari life. I did not know what is God realization. I came here. They gave so much of love that I did not feel like going back to the world. Then I did not know any sadhana. But I knew there are a lot of imperfection and impurities in me because which I am not able to realize God. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed, years passed. All were experiencing something or the other. Direct disciples are there. But I was without anything. One day I went and one of the direct disciples, must be Brahmananji or somebody, I don't know. He went and held the feet and wept, it seems. Then Maharaj told 9 aspects of Holy Mother which in what way she has helped the others in our very eyes, in front of the eyes, sins which we cannot take while initiating a person. That mother has swallowed, which nobody can give ashraya to a jiva. She has given ashraya. See, Brahmananji Maharaj, suppose, telling these words after realization of God. What must be mother? And he goes on telling how she removes you, like holding a child and washing, she removes the dirt inside. All these aspects Brahmananji tells. And that's what I told you, Aghanashini, the destroyer of the sin. Once that initiation nobody wants to give, he sends to Holy Mother. Holy Mother sends it back to Belur Math. Again, that sin nobody is ready to take. Finally, Mother initiates him. Aghanashini, Tapaharini, Doshadalini, Shokanashini, Mohanashini. These are destructive aspects. Then Aghanashini, Tapaharini, Doshadalini. Last, Shantidani comes later. Doshadalini, then Mohanashini. Before that, Mohanashini, Shokanashini, Mohanashini, then Ashrayadayini. Ashrayadayini. After that, Premavarshini, Shantidayini, Anandadayini. These 9 aspects of Holy Mother. 9 aspects of Holy Mother. Sharda Devi. Anybody feeling themselves impure, those who feels they have done mistakes in life, for removing, getting all these benefits. Whenever they come newly join mutt and all, I ask them to do parikrama of Holy Mother, telling these 9 names. And these are viewed by the direct disciples in their before eyes, which they themselves, being realized souls, could not give to the jivas. So then he says, when I got this, I got back my life without knowing, like an escalator taking me to the higher levels without walking. I reached direct disciples' feet and started serving. And today I am at their feet as their servant, free from all doshas, free from all bondages. And I am breathing the fragrance of mukti. I am breathing the fragrance of mukti. This word Dhiren Maharaj told us, the last days of his life. So it is very nice. You just give me that. अघनाशिनी तापहारिणी दोषदलिनी शोकनाशिनी मोहनाशिनी आश्रयदायिनी प्रेमवर्षिणी शांतिदायिनी आनंददायिनी. It is Durga aspect, Navadurga like you can say, because Durga is the protective and enlightening and helping evolution of the jiva is Durga. And this is the Holy Mother's, one of the important aspects of Holy Mother. Why we surrender? Why Sri Ramakrishna brought her into the order of sannyasis and then presented it to the world. All right, for today. Today is Guru Purnima. My love and blessings to all of you. निरञ्जनं नित्यमनन्तरूपं भक्तानुकम्पा धृतं वै ईशावतारं परमेशमीड्यं तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामः.